Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to apply dot mouse skates. If your mouse already has skates, gently peel them off using your fingers or tweezers. Remove any adhesive residue using an alcohol wipe or microfiber cloth. Make sure the surface is completely clean and dry. Carefully peel off the backing from the dot mouse skates. Using your fingers or tweezers, align each skate with the designated areas on the bottom of the mouse. Once positioned, press down firmly at a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. Check that all edges are securely stuck and not lifting. Now, place your mouse on a smooth surface and move it around. If you feel uneven glide, reapply pressure to ensure proper adhesion. Done. Your mouse now is ready for super smooth movements and enhanced precision. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.